To overhaul the fuel injector, remove the O-ring of valve holder and valve head. Slacken the union nut. Pull the valve head out of the valve holder. Remove the non-return valve, thrust spindle, spring, thrust foot, spindle guide and fuel nozzle from the valve holder. Remove the O-ring from the uppermost groove of the fuel valve holder. Clean and examine all surface of the fuel valve, fuel holder, fuel valve head and thrust spindle. Send the complete spindle guide and the non-return valve at an authorized repair shop for overhaul at the recommended running hours. Do not remove the fuel nozzle from the spindle guide unless the spindle guide is dismantled. Mount the spindle guide and fuel nozzle in the fuel valve holder. Fit back the thrust foot, spring, thrust spindle, non-return valve in the fuel valve holder. Renew the O-ring in the uppermost groove of the fuel injector holder. Place the valve head on top of the holder. Tighten the union nut. Renew O-ring on the valve holder and the valve head. Cover all opening of the valve with plastic to prevent dirt from entering the valve during storage.